Hi guys, I'm Ariana and next letter is Q. And here's my giraffe. Why are you crying, giraffe? I lost my friend and they have gone. Look behind you. Wow, there's lots and lots of friends. I can go play with them. And next letter is Q, and it sounds like qua, qua, queen, qua, qua, quarter, qua, qua, quiet, qua, qua, question, qua, queen, qua, qua, quilt, qua, qua, question. I ask a lot of questions to my mommy and daddy. Do you guys? Next letter is R, and it sounds like ring, rainbow, robot, rain, rabbit.
Do you know about rainbow?
Rainbow.
Tell me about rainbow. What do you know?
Rain.
Yeah.
And
Rainbow?
when sun rays come into the rain, it makes rainbow.
And what about rain?
Rain, when all of the water come out from the body or the lake, sun takes them all and then it turns into big clouds. When it's heavy, then water came. That's
What is next letter?
next letter is S, and it sounds like sky. Sky, what do you see in the night? Think about it. It's stars.
Yeah.
You're right. Stethoscope.
Yes. Do you have stethoscope?
Yeah. Stethoscope. Spoon. I wish I could grow up and be a doctor. And when I grow up and be like a doctor, I will have a real stethoscope.
You want to be a doctor?
Yeah.
Okay. And what else with the S? Which number starts with S?
6. 7.
Mm-hmm.
Raccoon.
No. Does it start with S? Tell me. Raccoon start with what?
R.
Yeah.
Next letter is T, and it sounds like the TG. My Tauji call me TG. The Tia. The toys. The tail. The tortoise.
And what else? Tia, what else?
The two. The 10.
Hmm?
The table.
Yeah.
The keys.
Yeah.
The tomatoes. Next letter is U, and it sounds like uncle, under, unhappy, umbrella, unicorn, Next letter is V, and it sounds like violin. The van. The vegetable. The violet.
Good job.
Hmm.
Yeah.
The voice.
Good job.
The village.
Yeah, that's good. What's the next letter?
Next letter is W.
Put your finger. Where is the W?
Next letter is W.
And it sounds like?
The wolf.
Show me both.
The wolf.
Yeah.
The wall. The white.
Yeah.
The window.
Mm-hmm.
See that window? The wall.
Yeah.
Continue.
Mm-hmm.
The whale. Watermelon.
Yeah, good job.
Next letter is X, and it sounds like xylophone.
Good.
Box.
Mm-hmm.
Box.
Yeah.
But it starts with F, but it ends with X.
Yeah.
X makes 3.
Yeah.
X.
Next letter.
Next letter is Y, and it sounds like yak. Yogurt. I like yogurt, even my grandmother do. Yuck. I don't. When I taste some yucky stuff, I say yuck.
What else with ear? Look at me. What else with ear?
Yellow.
Yeah. Start. What's next letter?
Next letter is Z, and it sounds like the zigzag zoo. The zoo. The zebra.
What else?
The
Yeah, good job.
Bye guys. Please do like my video, subscribe it, and even subscribe it every day. Subscribe all of my videos. Huh? Bye guys. I love you.
See you in the...
See you.